How to fix fail to log in or invalid session. Please restart your game on Minecraft. Now, the troubleshooting step that I'm going to be providing you right now works all the time. So be sure to follow along each of these steps. So all I have to do at first is make sure that there is no running Minecraft or T launcher that you do have on your computer right now. Now go to Task Manager to make sure under Processes, look for Minecraft or T launcher and just simply end task. Now proceeding on the troubleshooting step, all you have to do is go into your Windows icon, type in View Network Connections. Then in here, you will see another window that will pop up on your screen. Choose on your current network, right click, go to Properties, and then in here, just choose on Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it. And then on the second field, just choose on Use the following DNS server addresses, which is going to be 8888, and then on alternate DNS server is 8844. Click on OK and restart your PC. Try to relaunch your Minecraft game again. That's it. That's how you fix fail to log in your invalid session. Try to restart your game on Minecraft.